Toy Hunt Dudes here. In this video we will be opening up Pokemon cards on a plane. We are currently flying over a blizzard. This is why there's just a cloud layer everywhere. Okay. I don't know how this is going to turn out, honestly. But there's a first time for every time. So we're going to open up an XY base set booster pack here. Ooh. First time opening Pokemon cards on a plane. As you can see, the Blastoise artwork turned into a Charizard. Now let's see the contents inside. Oh. Okay. There's the code card. Enjoy that one. Code card from the sky. Okay. So we got a trainer switch. Maintenance. Look at that. A Brock's Grit. Voltorb. Machop. Growlithe. Water Energy. Magnemite. A Reverse Tangela. And the rare for this opening. Oh! We got a Mega Blastoise EX. It's unfortunate that I don't have any sleeves here right now currently. Oh, that golden rim is so nice. What number is that? I can't see. Oh, I can't see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Toy Hunt Dudes here. Please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and have yourself a wonderful day or night whenever you decide to watch this. Peace.